Why would I consider myself a leader? I'm clearly the most qualified.
No, it's because you seized power before
I
anyone
was
else.
treasurer of Alpha Omega, and I was a shoo-in for president before the rest of the sorority. Anyway, I'm driven, I'm organized, and if the world is ending, I'm going down fighting. Besides, some people here have never even held a gun. I've been hunting deer with my dad since I was 5. Shooting a human really isn't that different.
Psycho?
Whatever, drama queen. I hope you know that if I die, you're all screwed.
Okay, I'll admit you're probably the most qualified among us, but...
Oh, great, here we go.
I have to say, the fact that you're so cavalier about taking a human life is terrifying.
I mean, to be fair, zombies aren't human, and anyone else I killed had it coming. Kidding.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I'm getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
Oh, hey Kim and other person. Mind if I join you for breakfast?
I'm glad to see you're making yourself at home, George, but you might want to put on some clothes. You're making Josie uncomfortable.
Well, I'm not uncomfortable. I mean, you can wear what you want.
Thanks.
Though, seeing as you don't live here, why aren't you wearing any clothes?
I don't see how that's any of your business.
Well, seeing as I live here, I should know who's coming and going.
Well, if you must know, this is George. He's the guy with whom I used to share my bed. He's too nice for me. He has a weird obsession with sports.
Go Broncos.
He's a really good kisser. Oh, and he has a huge...
Okay, thanks. You're oversharing.
Did I miss anything?
That about sums me up. Don't worry, I'm a little more four-dimensional than that.
Okay, that still doesn't explain the whole no clothes thing.
Oh, well, last night I made the mistake of challenging Kim here to a drinking contest. I'd like to say I lost with dignity.
Tell that to your interview last night.
Interview?
You know what I like? Peppermint schnapps. And pizza bagels. Kim! Do we have pizza bagels? Kim? What? No.
Welcome home, Lacey.
Oh, Lise, how was class?
Well, it's raining blood again.
Well, George, you better get going before it starts raining too hard.
Oh, Kim, it's bloody raining.
Thank you. Lacey, was it?
Yeah, George?
Charmed. Well, thanks for trying, but I've seen that look before, and it's best if I leave before I become roadkill.
Yeah.
Anyone want to keep me company on my way to the science building?
Oh, Josie, you're walking that direction, right? Yeah, she's walking that direction. She'll be ready in 10.
I didn't know you were my mouthpiece, Lace.
Josie, when's the last time you got outside? And don't say yesterday, because I know you were just walking to class. You have to socialize. Just giving you a little push. You're welcome.
I don't even know him.
Stop shitting yourself. I told you everything you need to know.
Did you leave anything out?
I was already nice today. Psych major, happy?
Yes. There you go. Now go Freudian up that walk to class and don't forget to breathe.
Ready to go, Joe?
Oh. I have to go get my backpack.
Bloody raining. Get it, because it's
Yep, bloody raining. I got it the first time.
You sound like Kim.
Well, I would hope not, seeing as she's insane.
I know she's really shit at first impressions, but she's great if you give her a chance.
I mean, I don't know. She seems very normal, and she seems vaguely murderous.
No, she's cool. It takes a bit of time, but eventually she opens up. She's a good kid. She was there for me when my girlfriend... You know how it goes. Apocalypse.
Oh yeah, George's girlfriend. I think her name was... Anyway, we were running from a swarm of locusts, and she was a dead weight. I may have let her die. Sorry, whatever your name was.
You're a cold, cold bitch, Kimberly.
I know.
So, what do you like to do for fun? What? Apocalypse or not, you gotta have hobbies.
Hobbies? I mean, I guess I used to like photography.
Not anymore.
Well, there's just not too much worth taking photos of now.
Ah, I get it.
Get what?
You're one of those, the world is ending, what's the point type of chicks.
Oh, what? You're one of those the world is ending, let's throw a party type of dudes?
I guess so. Or, no, not really. I don't know. I want my life to mean something.
Oh, and I don't? Look, just because I'm not I can shoot a rabbit through the eyes and needlepoint at the same time doesn't mean I don't want my life to mean something.
Look, Josie, I wasn't trying to compare you to Kim or anyone else. I'm just trying to get to know you. Lesson 1 for being friends with Josie. Watch out. She's got a mean temper. Come on. It's clearing up.
Oh God.
Where is she?
Where is who?
Where's that psycho bitch?
Need something, sweetheart? Have a nice walk with George.
I just had to dodge your bullets all the way down the street. Were you even trying not to aim for me?
Calm down. There were zombies behind you. Don't screw up your face like that. You'll get wrinkles.
Wait, what's happening?
She just used me for target practice. I swear to God. You better watch yourself or I'm gonna...
What exactly are you gonna do?
Why don't you ask me when I haven't been running for my life?
Call me when you figure it out.